Okay, so if we roll a 13 or above, then we win. Oh, that's not good odds. Okay, Samantha, we're going to roll the dice and tell me what number we get.
As the crystalline die pirouettes through the ashen gloom of Miskatonic University, a hushed silence holds court as
That's a bad
masters of
sign.
the ineffable abyss
That's a
watch
bad
in
sign.
sanctimonious vigil.
Her color is
Time
red.
screeches its foul breath upon your goose-pimpled neck, as the weight of eternity's gaze smothers all hope beyond the merest flicker of a desperate reverie. Finally, emerging from the umbral depths, the die's resolute facade surrenders its verdict. A dread, swarthy 9 greets your feveredly fraught gaze, its eldritch countenance bearing the cruel sneer of fickle fate. Eleanor Saxon's grip upon your hand falters, wrung taut with an all-consuming despair, tethering the last of your collective hope upon a slender thread of waning mercy. The once tremulous sanctuary of sanity's slender refuge crumbles beneath the inexorable march of Thulraveth's unrelenting horror. Thulraveth, the embodiment of nameless dread, emerges from the depths of eternal darkness, its nightmarish form defying comprehension as it breaches the crumbling confines of your feeble attempts to guard against its insatiable wrath. Eleanor Saxon clasps your trembling hand as the cosmic monstrosity brings ruin upon the forsaken catacombs, its twisted and sprawling tendrils shattering stone and ravaging flesh with a brutal ferocity born from the most depraved corners of the abyss. As the darkness of the heavens heeds the command of its master's rage, the very fabric of reality itself seems to groan with ancient ills, and the air shatters with hollow echoes of despair. As Death's symphony sings its mournful dirge, you witness the grim fate that awaits all who dare to delve into forgotten lore, the maddening cosmic dance of Thulraveth, gathering you in its tentacled embrace, rending laws and consuming hearts as it ushers the world into an unending spiral of chaos and despair, leaving nary a breath to lament the horrors that gods dare not witness.